Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can recreate the iconic Mean Girls outfit in Dress to Impress. So in today's video, I'm going to recreate this Regina George Queen Bee style in here. And I'm going to just get started. So first, for the hair, you can just use this curly hair in here and change the color into this orange or red hair like this. Okay, so now once you're done with the hair, so for the outfit, it's very simple. First, you're going to use this skirt with a belt on it. And here I'm going to change the first color using this patterns, this one, and the second color for the belt I'm going to go with black, and for the top you are just going to use this top in here and change the color to all red. Like this, and then you are going to put on the sleeves. And again, change the color into red. And next, for the shoes, you're going to use this ankle boots and toggle it into knee length. And lastly, you're going to put on this phone as the accessory and toggle it into text. Now I'm going to change the color into white. So this is the final result for the Regina George outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you love Mean Girls and comment your favorite look. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks for more of these fashion makeovers in DTI. Bye!